And here's where people misunderstand this technology. Okay, they try to force the score up. Supplements, sleep hacks, medications, tracking rituals. Okay, optimizing bedtime like a performance sport. But sleep is not something that you dominate. Sleep is something you allow. It reflects your nervous system state. You cannot out hack a stressed nervous system. You restore sleep by restoring the environment the body feels safe enough to repair in. And that means blood sugar stability, inflammation control, stress regulation, detox capacity, nutrient sufficiency, emotional load. Folks, if you're stressed out all day long and don't resolve this stress, it can definitely affect your sleep. But sleep sleep is downstream of everything else, okay? It's why it's such a powerful biometric. It exposes the hidden load your body is carrying. And when you look at your sleep data correctly, the question is not, how do I fix my sleep score? The question is, what is interfering with my body's ability to repair? That shift changes everything, okay? Because now you're not chasing numbers, you're investigating root cause. And that's where these devices become tools instead of toys.